Hi friends, this is Srinivas here and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Cars Info. Today I am bringing a very interesting topic. As we Indians love SUVs because of a lot of factors. Because of its style, features, performance, comfort and sometimes has the capability of being an off-roading. But the only thing that's stopping us from buying those segment of cars is the cost of investment. This gap has been understood by a lot of manufacturers. Then they came with an innovative segment which is now dominating the Indian roads or also the Indian automobile sales. That segment is compact SUV. According to the SIAM, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacture, when the car length is less than 4000 mm, it will be categorized under compact SUV, or popularly other name for it is a sub 4 meter SUV. And if those sub 4 meter SUVs, if I have to name up the products which is ruling the Indian roads, are from the brands like from Suzuki's Vitara Brezza, Mahindra's XUV300, Tata Motors Tata Nexon and Ford EcoSports. Now the only brand which is missing in this A list is the Hyundai. Now in 2019, Hyundai has launched its first compact SUV named Hyundai Venue. When it was launched, it took the market by storm, and now when you see the sales volume of the Hyundai Venue from the launch till today, it has sold almost 1 lakh unit. You can understand, friends, what is the popularity of that car. Now BS6 model now coming with all new transmission, that is called intelligent manual transmission. In the course of the video, I'll be explaining what that transmission means. Along with that, we'll see what are the features are in store in the new Hyundai. If you are looking for any stylish car in the market, the only brand which comes in my mind is the Hyundai. Hyundai has been there in India for almost 20 years and it has been a benchmark for its exterior or the interior styling. The best part, the USP of Hyundai, is the quality of material they used it for their cars. That has been always been a benchmark for their cars in that particular segment. If you can see the entry level hatchback, premium hatchback, or the compact SUV or the mid-size SUV, Hyundai has been always the benchmark in particular segment. As you know that compact SUV has been the hot market or hottest segment in current now in Indian market, and Hyundai Venue has been the latest entrance in that line. And you can see whenever you see the Hyundai Venue, it has launched in the year 2019, and when it was launched, it took the market by storm, and it has been almost 1.5 years into the market, and Hyundai has already sold more than 1 lakh units. So you can understand what is the popularity of that car in this segment, and that's the beauty of, or that's the pride of owning an Hyundai car. There is a famous saying in English, the first impression is the last impression. When you see a Hyundai Venue from the front of it, the instant thing that you will be noticing is its front grille, which comes with a dark chrome front grille, which looks stylish and it looks quite unique. Then it has been well proportionate with its projector headlamps, which the throw of the light is good. Then it has been well complemented with its LED DRLs. It's like an eyebrow shape. Then it will be very beneficial when you will be driving in a foggy condition. It comes with a projector type fog lamps. To give this car a more SUV look, you can see, friends, there is a silver skid plate has been placed at the front bumper to give a car more macho look or masculine look. Then when you see the car from this side, the instant thing that you will be noticing is its all new alloy wheel design, which is a diamond cut, and the tire profile is 215 by 60 R16. Then the dimension of the vehicle is 3995 mm, which is the length. Width is 1770 mm, height is 1605 mm. Coming to the wheelbase, it is 2500 mm. To have a better understanding, I'll be sharing on the screen. Then When you see the car, friends, you can observe there is a side turn indicator placed on the ORVM. Along with that, IMT badging has been placed on the wheel fenders. Then there is also, you can observe there is a ski racks has been there on the roof to enhance the car a more sportiness. Along with that, you can see the character lines which has been continued from the front to the rear of the car, so that the designing or the styling has been well proportionate to give or enhance the car's sportiness. Then to give a car more premiumness, they also comes with a chrome door handle along with the smart key entry. As it's a compact SUV, it has to take on the lot of rough terrain or the uneven roads, so the ground clearance 195 millimeter. Then once you come to the rear of the car, you can find there is LED combi lights, so it is illuminated during night time and it provides better visibility to the rear passenger and provides a safety. Then there is an integrated spoiler which enhances the vehicle more stylish and also provide a better stability when the vehicle is running on high speed. Then you can find there is a shark fin antenna for the better frequency reception of the radio frequency. Then there is a wiper and washer. It also provide you whenever you will be driving in a rainy condition or when the vehicle is dirt. Then there you can find there is a venue badging has been given, and the variant which we are talking or looking into is the GDI turbo engine, and there is a reverse parking sensor as also has been continued with the rear skid plates. It has a boot space of 350 liters. Along with that, it has a provision for 60-40 split seat, so that you can manage your seat or place according to your requirement. These are the features when you find whenever you see for the car from the exterior. Then what's friends waiting for? We'll go inside the car and find what are the features are there in the inside of the venue. Getting in and out of the car is quite comfortable. Friends, there are the switches for the push start button, traction control off, and the headlamp leveling. It comes with a manual driver seat adjustment. While you can see there is a genuine cable, it has to be there to connect the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then once it get connected, this is the main screen, it will be popped up. Once you press this, this is the screen you get. This is the main screen for the Apple CarPlay. Whatever the apps are there, it will be displayed there. Then it comes with the steering mounted audio controls. Along with that, it comes with the flat button steering. These are the operating switches for the MID, that whatever the operating switches you use, that will be displayed in this MID screen. To have a better understanding of this, I'll be making a separate video on this, so that I'll be sharing an iLink, so you can go through that, and whatever doubts you can still comment me on the comment box. Then it comes with a air purifier to maintain a hygiene factor inside the car cabin. Then you have a storage spaces for it. Then you have a wireless charger. It comes with auto AC. You can see the switches are quite neatly maintained and the quality of the material is good. Then this is the hazard light. It comes with an electric sunroof. That operation is there at the top of it. Then as the height of the car is 1606, it's sufficient enough to have a quite good headroom and comfortable when I'll be doing a longer journeys for the rear passengers. Along with that, it comes with the rear AC vents. These are the features which is there to provide comfort to your family whenever your family going for a longer journeys. The next topic I will be covering is the heart of the vehicle, that is engine. In Hyundai Venue we have three engine options. One is the 1.2 liter petrol, which is a naturally aspirated engine, 1 liter GDI turbo petrol, and 1.5 CRD diesel engine. All the engine specifications, friends, I'll be sharing on the screen so that you can have a look on it. Then coming to the transmission option, it comes with three transmission. One is the manual transmission, other is the intelligent manual transmission, and the third is the DCT transmission, which means dual clutch transmission. These are the combination of engine and transmission option you are getting in Hyundai Venue. Hyundai is debuting all new transmission, that is intelligent manual transmission with Hyundai Venue. Now I'll be explaining what is an intelligent manual transmission and what is the working principle of it. Intelligent manual transmission which eliminates the mechanism of clutch pedal, which means you have only two pedals. One is the brake pedal, other is the accelerator pedal. Now the clutch mechanism will be all controlled by an ECM. That is the main function of it. Now working principle, it consists of three main components. One is the transmission shift gear, transmission control unit and hydraulic actuators. Now transmission control unit receives signal from transmission shift gear via intention sensor. That means the driver's intention to shift gears. Now transmission control units enables and it sends to its hydraulic actuators that forming an hydraulic pressure, which with the help of a concentric slip cylinder via clutch tube, which increases the pressure and which engages or disengages the clutch pedal. That is the main working principle of IMT. What is the benefit of it? You are now not using the clutch mechanism, that will be controlled by an all new ECM. The only thing is that you will still get that H-shaped manual transmission, you have to shift it, but because of the intention sensor it will be shift according to it. Now it will be gear shiftings are more seamlessly and without compromising, as we Indians are very obsessed with fuel efficiency, it will also help in giving you better fuel efficiency and also a better driving experience. That is the benefit of IMT. Hyundai Venue's safety package, it consists of 6 airbags in a top end variant. Coming to the braking system, it consists of ABS with EBD, which is make sure that the braking is effective in all terrain. Along with that, as it's a compact SUV, so you will be cruising on a high speed. When you take a sharp corner, make sure the vehicle is not toppled down, because there is a function called vehicle stability control, electronic stability control has been given in that. Along with that, whenever you will be driving on a slopey area or hilly area, it makes sure that the vehicle doesn't roll back. That function is called Hill Start Assist. Other safety package, it includes impact sensing door unlock and speed sensing door lock. These are the safety features you will be finding in Hyundai Venue. The next feature which I am going to talk about is Hyundai's Blue Link app. It is nothing but a Car Connect app where it is consist of almost 33 Car Connect features. Some of the features include like remote engine start stop, SOS emergency, interactive voice recognition and also a service alert, and you can also see your vehicle's performance details in that. These are the basic functions you can get in a Blue Link app. Apart from that, there is a unique thing you will be finding in Hyundai Venue is the IRBM is linked with Blue Link, which means that it consists of three functions. One is the SOS, other is the RSA, third is the Blue Link. So suppose your phone is not with you, still you can do an emergency call, still you can do an RSA call without the smartphone is with you. Or sometimes there is an accident happened or any unforeseen situation happened, your phone got damaged, still you can make a SOS call or you can call for an RSS support with the help of this IRBM link. That's the unique feature you will be finding in Hyundai Venue. I take this an opportunity to thank Lakshmi Hyundai team for their cooperation and my friend Nikhil for the arranging of the permission. Now friends, after watching this video, if you still have any doubt, please comment me on the comment box and also suggest me what type of videos you are looking from me. And once again, I take it as an opportunity. Thank you, and it's a request, kindly subscribe my channel and share it to more and more friends so that it gives an encouragement and we can bring more and more videos like this. Thank you friends, and be safe.